Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to open your Facebook app and then you should select on the top right corner menu icon. Here you can see I just select it, and right now you just need to scroll down and select settings and privacy option. So after that, select settings, and right now select see more in account center. Select it. Right now again scroll down and you can find the option manage accounts. Select it. Right now select your profile and select manage. After that you find a option deactivation or deletion. Simply select it and select deactivate account and select continue. After that there have option for type your password, so you just need to give your Facebook password and continue it, and then you can successfully deactivate your Facebook account. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.